Good afternoon. Welcome back to another episode of trading. Today, I just want to answer quickly a few questions and go. Forgive me, I've been busy of late. That's why you haven't seen me. I haven't posted anything. So I would like to just answer some few quick questions about day trading that people have been asking me. How should I find my setup? Depending on your strategy, like I said, I'm not here to condemn any one strategy on the day trading. As long as you're making money, as long as it resonates with your soul, as long as you are happy with your results, then you keep. But what I can tell you is every chart we have, okay, we have the 1 minute. There are charts that allow you can set to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So what strategy are you using? If you are using 1 hour strategy, then every 1 minute you have to check your chart for setup. If you are using 5 minute strategy, every 5 minutes you need to go on your chart and check for setup, whether you have a buy or sell setup depending on what you're doing. When you are using 1 hour is the same. Funny enough, okay, trading also is one of the few jobs or one of the jobs where you can make a ton of money and lose all the money by the end of the day or most. That is why you have to avoid over trading, and over trading can help you to keep this. You can, I always say, you don't need to have all the charts on your or all the assets on your platform to trade. What you can do is you can specialize in one thing, whether it's indices, whether it's commodity, whether it's currency. You can specialize on one and just trade it, and you're going to be successful. You make six figures. It doesn't matter whether you want to use the daily or just know what you're doing and avoid over trading. So if for instance, if I'm only trading the euro or Z, I can just specialize on that, and depending on what I do or depending on what strategy I'm using it to do, if I want to day trade it, look at it. I'm not going to be greedy. It's okay if I'm day trading. I don't want to make 100, 200, 300 pips. Maybe once in a while, occasionally, I'm going to get a very good setup, and I can make boom maybe 50 pips, 100 pips. But day trading, maybe I'm looking for, let's say I've got a 10,000 account, personal account. I'm not talking about funded account, okay? And I'm doing day trading. I'm looking for just 10 pips a day, and to make just 500 every day. So every day I'll just wait and get the perfect setup that's going to give me 500. And once I made that, I'm done. Boom. Going to play, because this same 500. Remember, some senior managers have to work 10 hours a day to get it. So what is it going to work for you? It's not what worked for me. You have to find what works for you, and the major key is risk management, and the major key is knowing how your instrument is working for you, and avoiding over trading. Some people, I know people sit on the chat the whole day, like 9 in the morning or 8 in the morning, and they are there till maybe in the evening and stuff like that. I wouldn't criticize this, but this wouldn't work for me. What will work for me is, if I'm going to do day trading, I want to work between 10 to 3 hours a day, just waiting for the perfect setup. And once I get my perfect setup, once I hit the target of 5 pips, 10 pips, boom, I'm out. I'm not going to sit down. If I'm sitting down, I want to do research on something else, but I'm not going to do trading again. So understand this, know what works for you, practice, be brave, avoid over trading, avoid revenge trading. Trading, I've always stressed that this is a business, and you not always, sometimes you make silly mistakes, okay? like you want to close a trade, and if you have a lot of trades open and you go and close different trades. This week it has happened to me, okay, which cost me a lot. So these are things that, and sometimes you make silly mistake and enter wrong trades. That's why you need to check your losers, okay? So I wouldn't want to talk much, but I believe that this can help somebody. So please subscribe, okay? And remember, scammers, I never called anybody or I never message anyone on Telegram or Facebook, Instagram, or any social media and request for their number. And I never request for anybody to give me the account to trade or invest for them. I've never asked anyone to send me 500 and I'll make it 5,000 or 7,000 by the end of the day, by the end of the week for them. So, or 24 hours. I never asked anyone to send me 500 or 1,000 and within 24 hours I'm trading crypto and they are going to get 7,000 on their money. So just be careful. If somebody is messaging you, giving you their number, I don't do that. That is not me. There are a lot of scammers who are scamming millions of people each day. Most of them are on Telegram, this social media app, and they'll be contacting you using fake profile of others. I don't do that. So always do your due diligence, okay? If you get an email or a message on someone saying he is me and demanding money from you to invest for them, please, I don't do that. Avoid that. Or you can just put message along my page, like the videos and share. Yes, and I'll see you soon. Have a good trading week.